Hello guys, kumusta? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio at today, re-reviewin natin itong model kit from Wave Plastic Model Kit in partnership with South Korean Academy Model Kits. So, dalawang country ang nag-combine para sa project na ito, which is Japan and South Korea. It's my first time to have this kind of model kit with them, which is the PANZER WORLD GALIENT. So this is the Galient. And this is from yung anime na PANZER WORLD GALIENT. Mga lumang mecha anime na rin ito, where ang topic is about parang medieval knights sila. Ang bida na pilot nito is si King Jordi or Jody. Parang siya yung yung prince na naging king kasi namatay yung tatay niya. So he became the king for their home planet, parang ganun. And ito yung parang defender nila, si Galient. Isa sa mga ancient defender ng nila, nation or world. So medyo nalimutan ko na rin yung story kasi matagal ko na napanood, pero yun yung natatanda kong plot niya. And right now here, meron tayong model kit nga, which is bago sa akin kasi puro Bandai tayo, puro Kotobukiyan, Modoroid. This is from Academy in partnership with Wave. So this is a transforming model kit here. Kasi si Galient, it can transform into the Mecha form and the Red Falcon form, yung parang Iron Falcon, yes. So this is the Mecha form, which is very nice, and actually I thought that this would be sticker heavy, but no, this isn't sticker. It doesn't have any sticker. In short, these are all color separated plastic, which I really admire with the two companies, lalo na tong yung yellow accents na nakikita nyo dito sa may arms niya. So these are all plastic, so separated yan. So white, yellow, red, and yung inner frame na gray. And yep, let's go with the review of this kit. Actually, I will not do the transformation for this kit because as you know me, I don't like doing transformation of my model kits, and I will leave the credits to other reviews. So I'll give the honor for them to present you how to transform this kit. Anyway, this is a red suit. This is about 17 centimeters and fully articulated and fully color separated plastic. No stickers and no other hassles that I experienced when building this kit. The only downside of this kit is the plastic tends to be soft and somehow brittle. It's not your typical Bandai. It's not in par. I mean, it's not in par with the Bandai, the Kotobuki or Modoroid, the latest Modoroid plastics, which is very resilient and somehow strong. And even the Chinese model kit plastic doesn't par with this one kasi actually ang lambot ng plastic niya, lalo yung ABS plastic sa loob, yung mga joints niya sobrang flimsy. So like this, medyo ingat na ingat akong i-move ito kasi actually ano siya makakamdaman mo yung softness ng plastic. Yung kumbaga, pag binibend mo, ayun no, medyo wala siyang resilient. Wala siyang, resistance pag inaano mo. Parang buong plastic niya susunod, lalo yung joint dito sa elbow. So you need to, alalayan mo yung elbow joint niya for it to move. And for it to move smoothly. And medyo sumusunod lahat kasi. Walang resistance. Ganun. Ayan. Okay. So, anyway, I appreciate the kind of details that they did here. It's all detailed, but the panel line spots here is not that deep. It's very shallow. So if you're going to do some panel line, especially dito sa upper part and shoulders, dito sa may bicep and forearms, and even dito sa may chest, make sure or don't expect that the panel line would be that detailed, because ang shallow lang siya, malababaw yung kanyang mga grooves. And here in the legs, you don't have any wala siya masyadong panel line marks na pwede mo lagyan. So if you want to scribe or mag-chisel ka sa mga part na yan, it's up to you. And okay, let's do the articulation. The head can can rotate 360 degrees. Because of the transformation sequence, you need to make it back like this and put the hawk. Yep, this is the Iron Hawk or Iron Falcon, something like that. And hindi siya, yung head niya is, wala na stuck. Yun. So the head can tingala like this and tungo like that, and can do some Indian nods like this. And shoulder armor can raise up to this far. Yep, medyo, ay nako, yung plastic niya sumasama, hindi siya no resistance. And can rotate 360 degrees. The elbows, you need to do some assistance kasi medyo flimsy yung kanyang elbow. Ayan, medyo loose siya. At the same time, walang resistance. So you need to, alalayan mo muna ganyan bago mo siya i-fold like this. So the elbow can bend after this far. The hands, by the way, yung sword, I will remove the sword first. The hands doesn't have by the way, I changed the hands into Galient hands, and ayun ang dali lang maalis ng mga plastics niya. Nakakainis kasi medyo flimsy yung dito sa wrist niya. So madali siyang matanggal, and I need to put it back like this. Okay. Yep. Also this one, flimsy yung mga wrist niya. Yan. So if I were you, I will or not if I were you. After this, I will do some gluing on this part. Lalagyan ko na to ng glue kasi nakainis It's a bit, we call this a bit frustrating and annoying. Okay, and the legs here, natanggal na. Okay, so medyo natatanggal na yung armors niya. Napaka-flimsy kasi niyan Okay, so The legs here can kick up to this far kasi wala namang front skirt. Can kick back up to this far. Can cannot do some splits, by the way. So this thing cannot do splits, and it has a flap here that can rotate. So this is for the transformation, and the thigh can rotate on this side, and the knees can bend. It's double jointed bend like this, and the ankles, there's an ankle guard here that moves like this, and can move up or backward, front, backward like this, and some plantar extend and plantar flex. Okay, so let's look at the sword here. The sword is really, it's very flimsy. I might put some glue on this after this review because supposed to be this is folding sword, or the this part here can be folded like that and that, but I think I don't need to do that anymore because sobrang loose na itong part na to. I might do or put some glue on this part para maging steady na lang siyang ganyan. And also you can replace the blade of this one into yung blade na broken blade. It's like a chain blade. So tinago ko muna kasi ayoko siyang baduy niya. Mas gusto ko na lang ganitong sword siya. And also mamaya ako ikakabit to, medyo mahirap ikabit. Kailangan ko pang kalasin yun dito sa may shoulder niya. Anyway, wala siyang ibang weapon kundi ito lang yung sword niya. For the transformation, again, I will just leave it to other reviewers for their credits. And let's go have some quick size comparison here. Let's compare it with 100 scale Reborn 100 model kit here. I have here the Gun Easy, so it's taller than your Gun Easy. By the way, this is a 172 scale, and I have here master grade Gundam Wing Proto Zero, and they're about the same height because this one here is about 18 centimeters, and Gundam Wing is about 17.5 or something like that. So they're almost the same height. And I have here the regular master grade Gundam Geo5, and yep, they're almost the same height also. And finally, I have here Valimar, the Ashen Knight from Trail of Cold Steel. Yep, they're also of the same height. And for high-grade model kits, I have here Big Tony. So they're about the same scale, 172 scale, and they're almost cute partner, red and baby blue colored model kit. So thank you very much for watching this short review of Panzer Galient from the anime Panzer World Galient, and good luck finding this because I think this one is a bit rare to find these days, but there will be a release or a new model for this, which is yung parang upgraded version niya where it has a shield, and ang cute nung transformation gimmick nun. There will be mahati itong upper part and the lower part. The lower part will be like a tank, and the upper part will be the hawk or the falcon, something like that. So anyway, good luck finding this, and this is a bit cheap. I bought it about 2,600 or 2,500 pesos from a Korean company's Shopee, and it's a reasonable price, by the way. And so, good luck also finding the new version of this, and I'm very looking forward for that. So thank you very much. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, happy building, and happy collecting. Masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Auf Wiedersehen.